Ladies and gentlemen, in this video, we are going to Shawano and we are drifting the drift truck.
Noobs!
Hello. Boys, we're switching to John's channel, or John's camera with a wide angle. So,
Good shit.
should be fun. Yo, this bus looks sick in a wide angle.
What do we have to
everything.
eat? What do we have to eat?
Bonk. John loaded it up with the food.
Can't even see you, man.
We got the drinks, we got the more food, we're ready to go. Are you ready? You ready?
I'm always ready.
All right, let's go.
Bye guys, have fun.
All right, thanks, man. Let go.
Time to play some cards, boys.
Tastes like beans.
Did you say your apple tastes like beans?
Everything tastes like beans to John.
It's all beans. It always was.
Oh, the wind took it. It's a horse-drawn carriage.
Whoa! They can't see that.
That's how you know you're in the middle of nowhere. Horse-drawn carriages.
We're with the Amish.
There's the flag. Oh, there's some tire smoke. They're still drifting. Hell yeah. I wanted to get your... Oh, they're still drifting today. John, you're the ramps guy.
Caleb, you're the ramps guy, dude.
No, I'm always the strap guy.
You're never the you're never the ramps guy. Do the ramps, man. Do the ramps.
But I put the straps on, so I want to take them off.
No, I got it. Check it out. I'm gonna do it.
Shout out to Pasha for being the ramps guy.
Come on, I got you a gift.
Really super.
Take it, John.
I want this.
Yeah, you do. You know how to put it in? There
Guys,
you
we
go.
got a problem.
Oh no. Does it not start? Do you need to be pushed?
Yeah.
Okay, maybe not. Oh shit.
We're set up at the track. Look at this. This is so awesome. We're under a canopy. We got the bus here.
We got the table.
Finally. This is the first time. Don't lean on the table. Let's just not. Let's just not.
I just go against it.
Bruh, maybe you should just not be a dummy. This is the first event when we have the bus. We have everything set up. We've got all the setup.
First event for John to be in a bus.
True. That is true. What? First thing first is to cut some limes for my Modelos. Now, unfortunately, the table did get a little dusty on the drive here. That is one design flaw of it being on the outside. Oh, hell yeah.
Dude, I've been watching Twilight with Kearney. Did I tell you guys that?
Oh.
Twilight's so underrated.
Oh man, I'm going.
Let's get out of here.
Oh, dude, look at that. Oh.
Oh.
That's pretty gross.
That's really gross.
Dude, those beans?
No, John, they're not beans. Sorry to disappoint you. You know what's the crazy thing? We were here a little less than a month ago, and it was 90 degrees during the day and 86 degrees at night, and it was miserable. Just a month later, tonight's low is 50 degrees. Crazy how quickly the seasons change in northern states. It's either summer or winter. 50-degree weather is the best weather for like campfires and shit. So tonight's gonna be awesome.
You want to?
Oh my
Are you filming this?
dude,
Don't film this.
That's insane. That's insane that you found that, because that is the exact spot that hurts. Dude, my neck has been killing me for like 4 days.
He rejected.
Pasha,
He rejected
new career,
this.
massage therapist.
Honestly, that's very profitable. too.
Massage. Bro, it feels better now.
You saved him.
I saved John, dude.
Give him a
Oh
review.
my god,
Give
dude.
him a review.
Dude, 10 out of 10. Wait, do you do happy ending?
Chef is cooking on the table. Oh! Getting it all over the. That's the only problem. We're gonna have salt and shit all over my bus.
Dude, she's a beauty. It's honestly working so well.
Hell yeah.
You know, I got a chair to put all the random crap that I'm gonna be using. I got all this workspace.
And then Pasha, you can see the light over there. He made a fire.
Hey yo, how'd you sleep?
Great.
Dude, there's this fly right here.
Is it still alive?
Yeah. Guess what else is alive? My farts.
Oh god.
I slept great.
So last night was awesome. We just chilled by the fire, played cards, hung out, had a good time. Weather was amazing. Today we're gonna be drifting. Also, we're in Dan's truck.
Hey.
You guys might remember Dan way back when he came to help Turbo Molly when we first did that. And Dan's got a really cool car, so he's here to drift too. Right now we're driving to get coffee and bowls for cereal because we have the cereal and the milk and the spoons, but no bowls. Oh boy.
Alright, thank you.
German chocolate cake coffee. It's better than you'd expect.
Yeah, no, it's actually so good.
No.
It's not funny if you meme yourself.
I'm not memeing myself, I'm defending myself.
Oh my god,
I went
you're
to
not about to do this.
Yes.
Don't take this stance publicly and over your career.
I pour my milk first, and all these guys are giving me shit for it. But I know there's people out there that pour their milk first.
Oh, dude, it's so good.
Are you aliens?
No, we're better.
Are you people aliens?
We're smart, because then the cereal doesn't get soggy. You pour the milk, and then you sprinkle a little bit of cereal, eat it.
all
Sprinkle
sits
more
in
cereal.
You want a nice coating
That's
of milk
disgusting.
on your
It all
cereal.
sits in the same
You guys are
bowl.
gross, right? Then you just sprinkle it on.
Dude.
It's like you're taking a
And
shit.
then I
no.
eat that layer, and now it's nice and crispy.
Drop it.
Dude, you are evil. Yeah, breakfast!
I gotta get the truck ready for drifting though. Truck is ready, it's got its wheels and stuff. So this is Dan's new car. Dan, you wanna show him the goods? I mean, I guess the front goods are already open. So what is it?
It's a LS6. Totally stock. It's just got a cam. Probably makes around 400 horsepower.
He's a really good fabricator. Pop this rear. Honestly, this is my favorite part. that's the latch.
That's my favorite part.
But it's a rear mount radiator setup that is just so cleanly done. Dash 20 AN lines. But yeah, Dan's got a super cool car. He's not necessarily used to it yet, so
Yeah,
don't expect him to be amazing. But
not quite. Something amazing might happen, and maybe I'll drive really good. We'll see.
we'll see. We were doing some warm-up laps, and then Dan's car, something happened.
Following Dan back to the pits, we're gonna find out what happened.
I went off track, and my starter doesn't start. Oh. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know yet. We got the starter out. Kind of.
We're about to. Hell yeah.
You just drifted that whole thing, and I think that if I remember correctly, you were not doing that last event. So today, I think, tell me if I'm wrong, is the first time you've done that. But that was sick. That was awesome. Great job, dude. That was so cool.
Dude, when you get it right, it's so fun. Guys, here's an exciting thing. I'm getting to the point where after a run, I have smoke in the interior. Actually linking on the track rather than doing manjis keeps your wheel speed and your car speed up a lot higher. So you burn the tires so much quicker and you actually get smoke and it's freaking sick. So far so good. The truck is doing awesome. Already went through the first pair of tires. It sucks, like, now that it's actually, I'm learning it, I'm going with the tires way quicker and it's actually an expense now, which sucks, but whatever. What was it again?
It was a fuse.
All right, well, I'm comfortable enough on intermediate, so I'm gonna head over to advanced. Check it out.
You still saved it and it was still smooth coming out.
I only did a couple laps on the intermediate and a few laps on the other one and I'm like already out of tire. It's annoying, these tires, the last time they did pretty good, but this time they kind of just, they didn't burn, they kind of ripped off, they ripped apart. So I didn't get the full life of the tire. All right, we're in Dan's car and it's fucking hot because his radiator's right there. Whoa.
So last clip was Dan drifting the truck. Actually, no.
And action.
So the last clip you got.
All right, boys. Here we go.
What? What is he doing? What?
What are you doing? Why are you doing that?
Fingering his drink. Oh, he needs to chug it.
Oh man. All right. So the last clip. So the drifting is over. It's way past 5 p.m. We've been just hanging out. We went to Walmart, grabbed some more brews, grabbed some more stuff. We realized we bought everything but cups. So we had to get very creative with the bottles that we had from water.
We were gonna leave tonight and go home, but we decided to stay another night, play cards.
I suggested it yesterday, and they're like, nah, we're gonna go. And tonight, they were like, or today, they were like, no, let's stay.
Yeah.
And I was like, sure, let's stay.
It's so fun to chill with the boys. It's fun to be by the campfire. It's fun to drink and play cards. You know, this is honestly arguably the best part about drift events is coming and being able to camp.
Yeah, totally.
Like drifting is awesome for sure, but this is also awesome.
Just doing it alone, that would not be that fun, really.
No,
I mean, you get to drift, but what else?
Right.
You gotta hang with the boys. It's the weekend for the boys.
Drifting is fun because you're with the boys. Look at this. This is amazing.
Oh man, that's just cooking.
Pasha has made an intense fire.
Fire is lit. That's a sick.
Bye, Dan.
Bye.
But
Hey, Lloyd.
Just open the door.
push on the right door. Your right. No, the other one. Thank you.
Then do the top latch. Top latch. Top latch. Top latch. Here you go. Bye, John.
Bye.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for
This is all I get?
That's all you get. Your camera's mine now.
Okay, sweet.
No, just kidding. Here you go.
Oh, thank you. Bye, guys.
Bye, John.
You know what? This has been a great video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe to Gingium, or dislike if you don't like the video. If you don't like, tell them why. Bye.